Hey guys, this is Engineer Baba is here. In this video series, we'll learn how to draw a roller bracket assembly, and today I would like to teach you how to draw a bracket. So let's start. Open the Sketcher workbench and draw a square and give the dimensions of 74 mm and 74 mm and 46 mm. So this is our square is completed. Take this at a center. Exit the workbench and apply the pad command at the length of 10 mm. Select the two edges. One and another is selected. Go to the edge fillet command. Give the dimensions of 12 mm radius and select this face and go to the Sketcher workbench and select a circle of a diameter of 12 mm and apply the concentricity constraint. And draw another circle like this. So I apply the mirror command. So our circle is completed. Exit the workbench. Apply the pocket command. Select this face plane and go to the Sketcher workbench. Select the circle. Select the circle of 32 mm diameter at the length of at the length of 62 mm. First we draw the profile. So this line we draw. Our profile is completed. So trim the unwanted object and exit the workbench. Apply pad command, a length of 14 mm. So select this plane. Go to the Sketcher workbench. Select the circle. Draw a circle of 32 mm diameter and apply the concentricity constraint. So this diameter 32 diameter. Apply the concentricity constraint. Again we select the another profile. To pocket this object, we want to remove the 5 mm object. So this is our profile is completed. Now we erase the unwanted, trim the unwanted part of this profile. So go to the pocket command at the dimension of 5 mm. Now select this plane. Select a circle. We want to circle of 12 mm diameter. Apply the concentricity constraint. Apply the concentricity constraint. So remove the material, apply pocket command. Now we apply the fillet at this side, but we use the pocket command. By using pocket command, so our fillet radius is 5 mm. So draw a circle of 5 mm radius or 10 mm diameter. Our circle is completed. Apply the pocket command. So this is our fillet is completed. Now apply these edges. Apply the fillet at these edges. Select first 2 edges. Apply the edge fillet command and give the radius of 16 mm. So this is our drawing is completed. Now we draw a rib. We learned our previous videos. If you have any doubt, go to those videos. First we select this reference line. Okay, so our reference lines are selected. Then draw a line. This is our profile of rib. Give the dimensions. Of 40 mm. Then delete this. This is over constraint, so delete this reference lines. So our rib profile is completed. Now go to the rib icon, and thickness is our 10 mm. Click on OK. So bracket is completed. Remaining parts we draw in our upcoming lectures. Thank you.